happen. We see am with our korokoro eye, and na our work to make you sabi am. Sharp Sharp Tori on top CHRICED radio and television. Anywhere where they happen across Obodo Naija and Obodo Igbo, we dey here to serve you hot like Naija Jollof. 12 o'clock for afternoon and 4 p.m. agogo na time for the Tori. No miss am o, because on top CHRICED radio and television, your matter na we own.
Welcome back to CHRICED Radio and TV for this beautiful evening. From the heart of Abuja to the world, time don't reach for us to give you evening sharp tori from your station where your matter now we own. My name na Princess Anyana, and this na the tourism where they hot this time. Make we start by to tell you say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't say ogbonge government go open up the potential where every state get inside this country. Oga President yarn this one for one post just as he entered to travel for one-day work visit to Kaduna State. According to Oga President, this thing then what they do now to give up power and ginger to all states of the country to make sure say they go feel work for their people boldly and in a well-less way. The Nigerian Governors Forum, where be the joint body of our governor people for Nigeria, don't make up their mind, say then go collab, work hand for hand, leg for leg with the Ogbonge government to make sure say all this plenty money do they charge for tax, they charge for this, they go find a way to reduce and make everything for level. They know that checkpoint illegal way there for road, they go dismantle all of them so that it go dey easy to move goods all over the state. Oga governors them do this meeting for their NGF secretariat with their Abuja, and then also this talk now mainly to put eye for the way we cost of food they rise, the way we say to move animal from one side to the other is not too easy inside the country. Now for the top paper we drop after the meeting, this joint body of Nigeria governors them can say too much of checkpoint where they no give carry go, illegal collect of money of tax, and then no enough infrastructure where make sense. Now then be the main things we then see where they cost things to the jack up and say we no get better food supply for this country. And one video now they spread up and down where you show Paul Enenche, the senior pastor of Dunamis International Gospel Center, they reject 30 million naira donation where Kebbi State Governor sent to Ram. This thing happened for a 2-day healing and deliverance crusade where Enenche been do for bringing Kebbi, will be the capital of Kebbi, from June 17 to June 18. Now during that crusade, one of the Wolof person to Nasser Idris, will be governor of Kebbi, and I been carried this gift to give to the religious preacher on behalf of the state government, but Enenche can say no, that is not why we are here. This is the money that you are giving to me now, channel them to take support one orphanage. And Oyo State government today will be Thursday come out again to remind everybody and remind their state, say that's a law of say no they carry your cow, they walk up and down in the open danger, what they call anti-open grazing law, still stand inside the state. Now the State Commissioner for Agriculture and Rural Development, Olasunkanmi Olaleye, now announced this one for inside the Interminister gisting with the Tori people, where they be do for Ibadan or your state capital. It's say more than 58 cow. Now they don't pack in the last 2 years, and plenty of those people that where they push this cow there, where they disobey the law, they don't charge them go court. And moving on, the defense headquarters don't say 6,260 terrorists, now they don't kill. 14,138 terrorists and other criminals now they don't arrest inside a joint military operation where all of them, the joint how they do all over the country inside the last 2 years. Now Deputy Director for Defense Media Operations, Brigadier General Ibrahim Abu Mawashi, now he and this one, when they give the gist of all waiting our soldier people don't do in the last 2 years for that expanded parade and meeting where you do with top Oga them for Bidia on Thursday for Abuja, made them for know what's up. Abu Mawashi contact says soldiers of armed forces also rescue 5,365 people there where they don't kidnap and recover plenty amount of weapons and ammunition inside different operations where they don't do inside these 2 years. And from there, make we travel to outside country where we say the Defense Minister of Israel don't come out say Israel's supreme leader, he can no longer be allowed to exist. They have to take him out of the earth after that Soroka hospital where they go use a missile, take jam, scatter the thing. Iran state media, they talk, say that missile where they shoot, it was not to hit the hospital. Now military site where next hospital now they target. Just unfortunate, it can't go hit the hospital. But Israel say 271 people now don't wounded all over the country after Iran begin fire different number of missiles overnight. And finally, make we take you to the world of sports, where Real Madrid don't confirm say their ogbonge forward top player Kylian Mbappe say he dey for hospital now after he begin develop one serious belle pain wey be say they pinch am for belle wey they call acute gastroenteritis. The club confirmed inside their official medical statement wey dem drop today for their website say the man no well, but they no talk exactly how long Mbappe go dey absent from most of their games them as the club they continue to monitor in condition. And this now everything we'll carry on give you on top evening sharp tori from CHRICED Radio and TV. But if you want to hear more, join us again tomorrow 12 o'clock for another beautiful edition. Till then, continue to enter all of our social media handles at CHRICED Radio TV for more information and to know what they go on. My name remain Princess Anyana. Enjoy the rest of your evening.